Happy Sunday, traders. My name is Jonathan. I'm the owner of SysFX, and in this video, it's simple. I'm going to mark up my Forex chart for the week. Let's get started. I post my zones on the 4-hour, my support and resistance zones, and I enter on the 1 hour after 2 candles of rejection. It's pretty simple. So as you can see on the right side, I have these Forex pairs that I'm actually doing, or that I'm actually trading this week. I don't know if you guys know this, but I actually signed up for the FTMO challenge, and I'm so excited to try it, to pass it for you guys, to show you that I actually do know what I'm doing trading wise. And I ended up getting a $25,000 account, so I'll keep you guys updated on the YouTube channel, of course, and on the Telegram if you guys haven't joined yet. So back to these charts. Now AUD JPY, like I said, 4 hours. You mark the support and resistance. You only do the ones that are touched the least, the highs, the lows, the obvious ones. Okay, so I'll show you an example. So on AUD JPY, at the very top, you see that it just goes up and just bounces down, right? It hasn't touched it again. So that's what I'm going to draw. I'm going to get on that, mark the zone on that candle that's indecisive. So you can see the wicks on the top and the bottom. You mark it over, and that's the top of AUD JPY. Now the next one is the bottom. You can do it down here, right? But that's not really relevant to right now because the pairs don't move that fast, right? So you want to do something relevant. So as you can see down here, you have this. So you grab that candle. I actually based it off this candle here before it moved away. Simple as that. Now you can draw one right in the middle because it is valid. If you know some supply and demand trading, guys, you'll see the legs out. Those are really important. You can mark those as well. Again, the top. Again, the bottom. And something more relevant. Right here. Same thing as AUD JPY. Let's go on to the next one. Euro USD. Wait, did I do that on the 1 hour? No, that's fine. Guys, I made a mistake. On AUD USD, I did it on the 1 hour. But let's remove this one. That's not valid. But the other ones are. So we'll keep it there. Euro USD. The top is here. Bottom is definitely way the hell over here. And nothing else. If it's too big like that, a big gap like this, guys, you can just put it down to the 1 hour and try to find something, which there isn't. There's too much noise going on, so don't even bother, guys. If it's too much noise, don't bother. It's probably overplayed. They don't even respect those levels anymore. Don't hurt yourself. GBP AUD right here before it dropped down drastically. The bottom over here. And we're done. You can actually get away with this one here, where it's currently at. But we're not going to play it. It's early in the week. I've learned from those mistakes. GBP CAD is up next. The top is way up here. The bottom, you can count this one. We'll do the wicks. Doesn't matter, guys. The wicks, the body, whatever. Once you have enough practice, you'll learn if it gets close to that zone and you see rejection, you can technically enter. Leave yourself some breathing room so you don't have to worry about the exact entry price. Unless you're scalping, then it matters. So this one is right in the middle. It's clear. It's close. It actually did retest like so. It broke through, retested. So might be looking for buys early this week on GBP CAD. Next up is GBP JPY. The tops and bottoms, we'll do the same thing, guys. So the bottom's down here. Doesn't look very pretty. I probably won't play that at all. GBP JPY is this way. Now if you zoom out, it's still technically going upward. Next up is GBP USD. We're almost done. We're halfway through. This doesn't take very long, guys, if you know what you're doing. Just mark it. Don't overthink it, guys. You see a big drop, you mark the chart. You see the bottom here. Like so. Nothing else kind of like sticks out, so I'm just going to leave it be. Now this one, we can technically get away with this one. But I don't like to have 4-hour zones really close together, right? I'm not really much of That one kind of just doesn't respect it as much, so I'm just going to leave it be. It's just noise. Just worry about the big ones. Next up, USD CAD, and that's actually pretty ugly. So we'll do this here. Why? Because it'll leg out. At the top, it dropped. We'll do this. And those are the levels we're going to play. Let's put it all the way down here just in case, right? All right, next up is gold, 3 pairs left. The bottom is down here. The top is up here. There's actually some right here. And that's it. Next up is NAS. Let's go down to the 4 hour, of course. Simple here. And the bottom down here. And leave it like that. Simple as that. You can actually draw one up here just in case. So, last but not least, Euro JPY. Now, I do love to backtest these before. You can actually see over here, backtest list for supply and demand before I actually do my actual pairs. So I can backtest them, practice them. If I like them, I'll add them to my watch list. If not, I'll leave them alone. There's some pairs that don't match this trading plan. Do like so. Do the top. And we're all set, guys. Now, keep in mind that if I have any trades, I'll be posting them in the Telegram channel, so you can watch that. Just watch it. You don't have to take my trades. I recommend you don't, because everyone trades differently. But if you just watch my trades live on Telegram, you'll see that it's a very simple system. Makes you profitable. Don't have to overthink it. Really simple. 4 hours. Enter on the 1 hour. Guys, thanks for watching this video. See you guys in the Telegram chat. And see you next week on Friday, Saturday. This is the time where I usually post my analysis, or I guess my recap for the week. Guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.